Tesla, the quirky stock that's notable for numbers like 69, 420, and 911. Now, we had some parabolic action, some people are saying, in the stock this week. So joining me to talk about this story is Peter Tuchman to shed some light on this. So Peter, first and foremost, I shouted some silly numbers out to you. 69. 420
is like National Weed Day, isn't it?
Yes, and that's when Elon Musk said Tesla 420. That was about a year ago.
Ah, okay. But he also right. And then he was smoking weed on the corner.
Yes,
okay,
he
guys.
was.
Right.
All right. So, Peter, what's with the stock action this week?
It's a bubble. Let me just say that. That doesn't mean that the company doesn't have really good standards and logistics and infrastructure, and it's not the first one to the party on e-cars, and it's not a great company. But all that being said, if you look at the way the stock is traded, yesterday we were in parabolic move going up to 911. And today, it's so funny how, you go from super high-end bull market to crazy downward bear markets. It used to take months and years to go through these changes. Now it happens in a day. So yesterday the stock was up hundreds and hundreds of dollars. It got to 911, and today, one day later, it says investors slam the brakes on Tesla. Shares in bear markets down $130. What a difference a day makes. So, today it got two downgrades. Yesterday it was a stock of the moment. What I'm hearing also is there's a huge short position. Since Jan 1, $10 billion worth of losses on short positions have happened. $2.5 billion on Monday, $2.5 billion on yesterday, and another $5 billion over the beginning of January.
So, Peter, for those people who are down in $10 billion in the hole for shorting the stock, doing the research, like you said, you aren't a fan of the company yourself. What do you see is next for Tesla?
You know what? It's anybody's guess. In a stock that everyone said is, people got recommendations yesterday saying in 2025 it would be trading at $7,000. I spoke to someone this morning who had asked me a bunch of weeks ago whether they thought that they should buy Tesla, and I said, it's not my wheelhouse. I don't know, and I kind of think it's a bubble. And he's just like a regular civilian, right? And he owned one share, 100 shares. Probably one share. And when he saw it go up yesterday, he said, you know what? You told me that I should maybe not buy it, but, I couldn't help myself. I chased it and I bought it up high. He's probably got the mentality of every taxi cab driver who thought that they should have bought it at 200, 300, 400 and buying it at 900. Let's look at Bitcoin. People saw it rally up to 15,000. Everyone called it a bubble. And that wasn't the top. Just because everybody called it a bubble, it went to 20,000. What's interesting to look at, after it got to 20, it went to 3.
Did you hear how the Saudis cashed out of Tesla at the end of 2019?
No, really.
Their entire position.
Really?
Yep.
Okay.
Isn't that crazy?
Yeah.
Well, they sure missed out on that. But let's see what your friend, aka their taxi driver, does with his $900 Tesla share. Thank you so much, Peter. Always love having you on Wednesday. This is Peter Tuchman here at the New York Stock Exchange. He's here every Wednesday for some wisdom.